Manipur today bid final goodbye to braveheart BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, who gave supreme sacrifice for the nation during cross-border firing by Pakistani forces along international border in RS Pura sector of Jammu district. The mortal remains of the martyred soldier arrived at Imphal International Airport, where state dignitaries including Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Rajya Sabha MP Sanajauba Leshemba, IG of BSF along with other high-ranking officers laid wreath in honor of the brave soldier. Chingakham was among 8 BSF personnel injured during the shelling on May 10 and succumbed to his injuries on a day later. He had joined the BSF in April 2021 and was the sole breadwinner of his family. Speaking on the sideline, IG of BSF, ID Singh, asserted that the supreme sacrifice of Constable Deepak in the line of duty will be remembered by the nation. While expressing pride on the valor and bravery of Constable Deepak, the BSF IG maintained that BSF will stand with the family of the martyred soldier and provide every possible assistance. On the other hand, MP Angumcha Bimol Akoijam expressed pride on the bravery and courage of late Deepak Chingakham, who have made supreme sacrifice for the country. Earlier, former Chief Minister N. Biren visited the residence of late Deepak in Yaripuk, Yambim, where he showed respect and solidarity to bereaved family. Later, in a post on X, N. Biren maintained that the courage and deep sense of service of late Constable Deepak will be remembered with respect forever.
बहादुरी से लड़ा। ये जो बीच हमारे ये 3-4 दिन का जो युद्ध चला है और पाकिस्तान का जो सामने की पोस्ट है उसको ध्वस्त करने में इसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। दुर्भाग्यवश जब ये अपने टारगेट को ये मारने के लिए निकले, ऊपर से ये गोला इनके बगल में आके गिरा, जिसके कारण ये जख्मी हो गए। बावजूद इसके इन्होंने 2 दिन तक जीवन के लिए संघर्ष किया। दुर्भाग्यवश हम इनको नहीं बचा पाए, लेकिन हमें इस बात का फख्र है कि इन्होंने देश के लिए सबसे बड़ी कुर्बानी की और देश इसको कभी नहीं भूलेगा।
People have sacrificed for the country. I tell you, the Mata, Manipur Macha, Kayasu, the glory, the defense, the contribution, the Kudam, Consido, Paxi service, the Maitabo, Millet, the way one, we are also very proud to fight that. Thì mình muốn nhiều học sẽ không chẳng là gì chẳng hay ta